Hey guys, Ali here with H&H Cycles. Today we have this beautiful 2024 Kawasaki ZX-10 Cherokee Edition with just around 600 miles, practically brand new bike. 611 to be exact. It's completely bone stock, unabused. Just did the 600-mile service on this bike in-house. A brand new bike. There's not a single flaw I can pinpoint on this thing. 611 miles on the whole bike. Comes with 2 sets of keys. Runs as it should. 611. Let's hear it. LD motor, yeah, that's what it sounds like in stock. I'm sure you can make it yours once you get it. ABS, traction control, whole 9 yards, different modes. Right now it's on a road mode. Few functions that you will need to get used to, get a hang of once you start using it. Yes, H&H Cycles. We are located at 572 West Taylor Road in Romeoville, Illinois. Telephone number is 331-225-2553. If you have any questions, go on our website, give us a call, come check this thing out. It is in stock, so make it yours before it goes away, man. 611 miles on this beast. She's quiet. And for more details, visit us at hnhcycles.com, and thank you for watching.